The parliamentary opposition has declared that local government minister Desmond McKenzie acted unlawfully and prematurely in announcing a date for a by-election in the Yallows division of St. Thomas. On Friday, Mr. McKenzie announced that the by-election will be held on April 27, with a nomination day on April 10. The by-election became necessary following Tuesday's ruling in the Supreme Court that Jamaica Labour Party counsel for the Yallows division, Dean Jones, was not eligible to sit in the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation. Chief Justice Brian Sykes found that Mr. Jones was employed as a civil servant at the time of his election in the November 2016 local government polls. But in an interview with our news center, opposition spokesperson on local government, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, said the court matter is not yet settled and so a by-election should not yet be held.
Section 20F of the Election Petitions Act actually requires a submission, in this case from the lawyer who represented the council, Mr. Bogle it was, to actually prepare a written submission on some of the matters that the judge had ordered in terms of cost, in terms of the issue relating to payment, and he has not done that yet. And because that has not been done, the court would not have sent to the parish council the written argument